So hey rainbows, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm Dikshita Das and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like this video. So today's topic is so much lucky and it's like a blessing to me that I started my channel like 1 year before, and within 1 year this good news came, as you guys know by the title. So today's video is all about when the time I was applying the application form and when I got the mail from YouTube. So that's all I'm going to share now in the video, so don't miss out, and I am going to thank you guys a lot. So let's get into the video. Good news. So that is my channel is officially monetized, and this news I cannot control myself that I used to tell in the middle of the video all lives that there is something good news coming up, and that time I was literally close to that target of monetization. As you guys know, there are so many creators out there, and you guys know that it's so difficult to do 4,000 hour and 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers was easy for me, and with all your help I just reached 1,000 subscribers within 8 months, I guess, and about 4,000 watch time. I literally did so many lives. Thank God I don't have to do it anymore, but I will do. As you guys know, I love you so much, so to interact with you guys is the one medium, that is live, a chit chat or something. Sometimes or the other, a month or two, I can do one live session and we guys can enjoy ourselves. No more tutorial, no more nothing. That's all going to be in videos, and it's so much like I cannot explain my feelings, and write it to all the friends out there and all the lovers that supported my channel so much. I'm so happy, I cannot explain in words. But one more thing, you have to keep support me like this so that I just achieve my next target, and then next target, then next target, and many more. And for that I'm always there, and I'm going to like upload a lot of videos, how much I can, and I would say within a week 1 or 2 I can do it. It's like a target for me, so I'm going to do that. Make some challenge video, some makeup videos, some together, like anything. So you have to, there is also your job that you have to comment down below like any challenge, any suggestions. You have to do that, okay? Because sometimes I'm like blank that what will I do for my next content. I'm like calling my friends, please suggest me something, because I don't have a lot of ideas. Some ideas I cannot do for some circumstances, you know, it's COVID and it's coming again, and this strain too, I don't know, it's so hard to like fight. So right now what I have to do is do from home and not go outside and do vlogs, and all I will do when this COVID COVID situation is all under control. And yes, I love to travel and I love to make videos of travel and share with you guys, so don't miss out those videos. I know you love travel videos from my side. So guys, you have to just comment down below anything you want, like some challenge video, some suggestions, some makeup, something or the other. You have to like comment down that, not in this video only, upcoming next to next videos also, because if you don't comment, I'm sometimes blank and I don't know what to do. So you have to support me by supporting. Give this a thumbs up video, and now I'm going to like share my experience and everything while I was applying and while I was like when I got the mail, and I was so excited. I have a little bit of clip because when I got the mail, my mom was there. So I said my mom that please do a video that I don't know, it's a thumbs up or thumbs down, like my monetization thing is rejected or it is like you're monetized, congratulations or not. And it was a thumbs up. So I was so happy and I just made that recording like, is it going to be this or that? And it was. So all my recordings is here.
So guys, it's 12:30 at night and it's the beginning of Monday. As working day, I am going to apply just now, right now, for monetization. As I was saying, some good news is coming. So finally 4,000 watch time हो गया है. If you don't know, for monetization you need 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers in 1 year. So अभी तक 1 year नहीं हुआ है and I have completed my goals for you guys. So now I'm going to apply the monetization. Hope so, please guys, hope that मेरा monetization हो जाए and return please. Oh god, I'm so excited for now. Let's wait now and hope so कि ये मोनेटाइज हो जाए. आई एम रियली होपिंग कि 1 year का मेहनत हो जाए. एंड दिस इज़ मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो गाइज, इसके बाद I can't like really say like I have achieved my first goal in so less time. Thank you, but let me see होगा कि नहीं. So I'm just sharing this experience with you guys because this is one time experience I can get. So hope so. So guys, এখন এই মেলটা এসছে ইউটিউবে. So let's open it and see কি হয়েছে after all, like it's a positive or a negative. Congratulations! হয়ে গেছে. So finally monetization হয়ে গেল.
So finally, the good news is here that my channel got monetized officially, and now I am going to give like my channel is going to get some ads everywhere, and this is a lot big achievement for me. In this age is not easy, and the support I like got from you guys is a lot thing. So it was a fun, and when I got that thing, it was so much relief, or else I have to do again. So that's why I was like feeling so lucky that I completed this big achievement in 1 year of hard work. So I'm ready to do all my hard work for the next of the year. How many years I continue, I don't know. So guys, I really want to thank you for this much support that I got from you guys. You mean a lot to me. Without you guys, I couldn't achieve so big thing. So guys, watch this video and give a thumbs up, comment down, and that's all you have to do for now. And suggest me something. Yeah. So that's all for today. Meet you on my next video. Till then, bye.